This will sting. You've been working hard, but you're not seeing results only for two reasons. You're working on the wrong things, or you've not been working hard long enough. It really hurts, but those are the only two reasons why you're not seeing results. It's not luck. Nothing is accidental. It is. You're either working really hard on the wrong things, or you're working on the right things and you've not been working on that long enough. I'm going to show you a prompt that's going to take you from I don't know what to do, so I should exactly work on this for as long as it takes. This prompt is a game changer. It says assume the goal, you insert whatever goal, whatever task, put it in here. What are the three inputs that, if done correctly and consistently, make it very hard to fail, almost impossible to fail? So you need to understand what it controls, why it cannot be skipped, how other people fail at it, and what correct execution looks like. So this takes away things like I am not lucky or I don't know what to do. It gives you exactly what to do. The issue is you need to do these things very consistently. It might take months or years, but there's no way you can do whatever output comes out for a significant amount of time and not see similar results to what you want. It's almost impossible. I'm sharing this prompt in the description. You can take a look at it. It's really powerful.